Hi, Mascaro here from the Infant Room. Today I have a short book about nature. I got this little book at the Dollar Tree. So here's a blue butterfly. Here are some acorns and they're brown. And here's another butterfly and it's black with a little bit of green. Here's a frog. It's green. A yellow flower. Here are some leaves. This one is green and this one is orange. And the leaves will be changing in the next months. And here's a nest. The nest is brown. And there's 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and they're light blue. Here are some pine cones. And these are on trees. They're brown. And here are some rocks. They're all different colors and different shapes. Here's a shell. It's orange, a little bit of orange and like a little bit of white. And here's a green tree. And that's the end. I hope you liked the book. Thank you.